Good morning, everyone. Uh, Today I'm going to talk about coarse dispersions. So, topic is emulsion. So, let's talk about emulsions. So, emulsion, the definition of emulsion is an emulsion may be defined as biphasic system consisting of two immiscible liquid, one of which is finely subdivided and uniformly dispersed as droplets throughout the other. So it clearly shows that emulsion is a biphasic in nature. This is the first thing. Second is both the phases are immiscible in nature. So we need emulsifying agent in some cases to make a proper blend. Another thing is, as you can see here, since such a system is thermodynamically unstable, the system is thermodynamically unstable. So next is the dispersed phase or continuous phase can range in the consistency from a mobile liquid to a semi-solid. All depend on the consistency. The particle size of emulsion matters. The particle size, on the basis of particle size, emulsions are of different types. Nano emulsion, micro emulsion, and many different types. The particle size of dispersed phase globules is ranging from zero point 0.1 to 100 micrometer. So next is types of emulsion. There are two main types on the basis of the type of dispersed phase and continuous phase. On this we have, it has two main types. First one is oil in water emulsion and another is water in oil emulsion. So let's talk about oil in water emulsion. You can see in pharmaceutical emulsion, one phase is usually water and another is oil. Oil may be substituted by fat or waxy substances. The system in which oil is dispersed or discontinuous phase and water is the continuous phase is termed as oil in water emulsion. So there are a number of tests to identify the type of emulsion. Either it is oil in water or water in oil type. So like dye solubility test, conductivity test, fluorescence test. We will talk it about the identification test later on in today's lecture. Okay, let's talk about emulsions here. Such emulsions are usually preferred for oral use. So basically, emulsion may be used for a number of, you know, by number of formulations, by number of methods. We use emulsion in the form of liniment, lotions, or we can give emulsion in the form of IV injection also. So this type oil in water emulsion mainly used or preferably used for oral use only. Okay, so the advantage of this type of emulsion is to mask the disagreeable taste of ingredients present in the dispersed phase. So it masks the odor as well as taste of the active pharmaceutical ingredient. Additionally, the oil being is finely dispersed, easily assimilated in the body. Up next, emulsion for intravenous IV administration should also be of oil in water type because the continuous phase should be compatible with the blood plasma. All right, so that's why we prefer to give emulsion, this type of emulsion, that is water in oil type for IV route. Second is water in oil emulsion. So as the name shows that oil is a continuous phase in which the water globules are dispersed. So such emulsion are mostly used externally